Hey guys, Caleb's Catches here. We're back at the Watts Bar Dam, and today we're going to do some catfishing. We have chicken liver, we have minnows, we have topwater bait, so maybe we can throw some bass in there, but we're just going to get out here and have a good time. I'll show you all the setup. So currently, I've got a 2-ounce bank sinker that's going to go below my hook right here, and then we're just going to put some Kool-Aid and chicken liver together. So without further ado, let's get to the content. Alright guys, so we've got our Kool-Aid mixed in with our chicken liver. Just going to pick this up, and that's what we're using as bait. Hopefully it stays on. I'm going to have to adjust my brakes here. Actually, my brakes are set just about right. Cool. Here's where we pray that it stays on. All right, I think we hit bottom. Give it a little bit of slack. Yeah, okay, cool. We'll set our clicker going after we get our tension here. Oh wait, that's not how we do that. Okay. Alright, so we got our tension. We just let that sit out there now. Open the bell. Alright. We're good to go. Next, we got our minnows. Should be fun. Gotta keep that Kool-Aid from getting everywhere. See how good the bottom arm is on this rail. My net has seen way better days. Goodness. I might scrap this out by hand. There we go, that one. Catching it the old-fashioned way. Oh goodness. Alright, there we go. You know, we need to move our slip down. That's not deep enough. It's hot. I'm going to say we're probably at least 6 feet deep. I'm not seeing any fish toward the surface as of yet. It is like 80-something degrees, so there's that. A little bit deeper. So we got our catfish rig. We got our minnow rig. I'll move these out of the way in case people need to get through. These will be used later if necessary. Got one. Got one. What are you, buddy? Goodness. He's fighting pretty good. Oh, goodness. Ah, come on. Go. Oh, come here. Oh. Wow, it's a nice hybrid. Look at that, nice hybrid. About time something bites. Oh, you didn't swallow it, thank goodness. I don't need my pliers, but you did. Oh, it goes. Not too bad of a hybrid. Measure them real quick. So, nice 13.5 incher. He's a fat one though. Buddy, I'm gonna put you back if you open your mouth. Thanks for playing, buddy. There he goes. Ouch. Oh, come here. I'm just gonna set you right there for now. Try to revive you. Let's see. It's one down. Alright guys, GoPro battery number 2. We just caught that nice hybrid bass. Currently letting it recuperate over there in my net. I think it fought too hard because it didn't move much after I got it in. Just happened to see my line start moving, and then the bobber went down shortly after. I was like, hey, we go. Hey buddy, you can go. Buddy, you can go. Bye buddy. And there he goes. I had to let him recover. He was wore down a lot. Got him. He's not much of a fighter as the other one. Another strap though, or yellow bass actually. I think that one's a yellow bass. So, little yellow bass, guys. I might use him as bait. But I think the other stuff would work. He wasn't. Oh. Got one. God, I was trying to rig my catfish rod. another yellow. It's a big yellow, actually. Gosh, I got Kool-Aid all over me. Ouch. Give me a second, buddy. I just turned and my rod's about to take off into the water. This guy's being difficult, so we're just gonna move him this way. So he's about 9.5 inches. Thick for 9.5 though. Thanks for playing, buddy. Gosh, I about took my rod in the water. Okay, good. I did not. I might as well strap this on there the way I want to now. Just due to the fact that I literally got that all over my hand anyway. Because I couldn't reel with that glove on. That's it. Well guys, not too bad of an evening of fishing. Got out here and finally found them. This past couple of weeks have been something else when it comes to the fish bite, because we've gone from the cold weather to the extremely hot weather to the storms and back and forth. But that hybrid put up a good fight for its size. It was a lot of fun, and you can't beat catching yellow bass. Eventually we're going to catch some of those and use them as catfish bait and go out and do a night fishing thing, but we'll get there when we get there. So guys, give you all a little update about the channel. I am still going to actively post. It's not going to be most likely every Monday unless I just have some awesome content, because I'm not going to make filler content anymore. I don't feel like that's what I was doing, but I don't want to get to that point where I'm just putting content out to put content out. So I feel like y'all deserve better than that. I'm also doing some things for my family right now, so it's got me a little bit busier. But in the meantime, hope y'all enjoy the videos that do come out, and the older videos. I've got a whole bunch of different tips and tutorials and awesome fish catches. I'll probably do a video of it at some point, but I did get Master Angler Grade 1 certified by the state of Tennessee. I've got that certification paper at my house, and I'll make a video on that and show y'all one day. Well guys, I thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all are awesome group of fishermen and women on YouTube. I thank y'all so much for enjoying the content. If that subscribe button is red, make sure it's gray so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. And this is Caleb with Caleb's Catches reminding you, we're here to teach the world to fish, one cast at a time.